Good morning. What's morning? The next day after you've done your meals. Best thing is called el calentón. That means reheating up the yesterday's meal. Now I'm gonna tell you something. Some foods take on different flavors the next day because it takes a whole day of marinating, and reheating will reinitialize even better flavors, to be honest with you. First time I ever done this, pozole de pollo, green pozole. And to be honest with you, I am shocked how good it has come out because it's a lot of work. But my recommendation is just like get out there and do it and enjoy your foods. One thing that I learned, take a chance. There's nothing you can do, nothing you can lose, to be honest with you. Your biggest critics will be your family. That's one thing I'm going to tell you. That's something that you got to tend to, and you got to know their flavors. You got to know their taste buds. It's just one of those things that you got to learn as a family. But we all have something in common. We love great meals. So a meal will combine you, will bind you, will make friendships, will last for, there's a lot of things you can do with food. You could talk deals. I mean, everything's done over food. A lot of things. Wars could be talked over food. I mean, it's just one of those things that goes way back then. So, from my house to your house, hope you guys enjoy your calentones, your calentada, and enjoy it. So, as a kid, I remember there was pots always in the stove because not everything fit in the fridge. But the things that were in the stove was ready to go, ready to turn on and heat at a moment time. So enjoy your food.
Now, if you made it this far, I want to say thank you and please subscribe and hit the like. Now, if you're watching on mobile, hit that hype button. This is going to help the show out grow, and I hope you guys enjoy this video.